Morning folks, John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. Working on the driveway 87 Irock LS conversion. I'm still working on this floor. Taking a little longer than I expected, but making good progress. As you can see, we've got it pieced together pretty good. This will all be caulked and filled and waterproofed and look really good after it's all completed. Toughest part is going to be up here. I've been thinking about how I'm going to do that. At the footrest area, kick plate, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let's get started. So what we're doing, folks, is making a pattern. So I can use it to trace out a pattern on the sheet metal and cut it with the excuse me. All right, folks, we have completed the passenger side floor pan repair. Really pleased with it. I left the upper two pieces loose, just with installed with sheet metal screws, because I want to be able to take those off when I'm installing the transmission. I'll be able to get to the bolts and the lines. So I think I'm going to leave that a permanent thing where make it easier to get the transmission out in the event someone else has to, or I have to later on. Next we have to do some repair over in the driver's side. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit over there in the corner. And I'm gonna get the transmission put in hopefully soon. I've got some parts ordered, and I got another converter, stall converter, ordered for the 400, and then we'll stick it in there. Then I gotta get a drive shaft that'll work, because the drive shaft for the Irock that came with it won't work. It's too small. So get this video posted and move on to the next one.